The reason of Christmas. Around 2000 years ago, a prophecy has been written in the Old Testament. Isaiah chapter 7, verse 14. Therefore, the Lord Himself will give you a sign. The virgin will be with child and will give birth to a son, and will call him Emmanuel. Emmanuel means God is with us.